Okay, there we go. We have all the pineapples in. Grabbing a little maraschino cherry, and we're just gonna put the cherry right in the center of your pineapple round there. We are adding some cinnamon rolls right on top of those mini pineapple cakes we just started building. Okay. Woo! And going through, setting our cinnamon roll, pushing it a little firmly down on that pineapple there and the cherry. And I also just took the frosting and I set that to the side because we're gonna use that later. Obviously, my muffin tin has 12 slots, and because there was only 8 cinnamon rolls, I'm only using 8 of them. I don't need 12 right now, but if you are doing some sort of a breakfast party or so, you could just grab yourself another container of cinnamon rolls. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna set this to the side and we're gonna make our sauce that is gonna go on top of those delicious pineapple upside down cakes. We started with a 1/4 cup of butter and we're just gonna let that all melt. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Sprinkle that just over the top. We want it to cook all together. Yum, yum. Okay, now that pineapple juice that we saved, we're adding 1/2 a cup of that pineapple juice to this brown sugar and butter. Ooh, that looks good. This is gonna be tasty. Have you ever made anything like this? I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time. I saw this recipe and I thought, wow, that looks really delicious. And I love the fact that it's individual and it's super easy to make. So we're just gonna let this cook up a little bit and let it get thick and have all of those flavors just start to cook and melt together. This sauce is looking good. This is exactly how you want it to be. Oh, I can smell the pineapple and it smells so good mixed with the brown sugar. Okay, let's turn this off and go ahead and grab our little pineapple upside down cakes. Here we go, just seeing how good, how much am I, oh, that's not that bad. I didn't do that bad. We're just pouring this glazed sauce now over our cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh.
Smells so good.
I can't wait to try these things. Do you like pineapple upside down cake? I love pineapple upside down cake. So we're just gonna go over and kind of redistribute some of that glaze to any of the spaces that I missed here. Look at that. These are gonna be so good. Ooh, and they're so easy. You just stick them in the muffin tin. You got your pineapples in there, your cherries, your cinnamon rolls, and now all we're doing is putting this glaze on top. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
Wow.
Okay, looking good. There, I think we're good with that. That's it. We're gonna put the cinnamon roll upside down cakes in the oven at 350 for 22 minutes. And I am so excited to see how these things turn out. I think they're gonna be good. All right, here we go. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, look at those.
Wow.
Those look so cute. They smell delicious. I did let them cool down for a little bit because I wanted them to kind of form a little bit so it would be easier when I flipped it over. Okay, so we got that. We're gonna come in with our glaze that we had left over from our cinnamon rolls, and we are glazing up these cinnamon roll pineapple upside down cakes. Yum. Ooh, and I get to try it. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna go in for this front one right here. This looks like...
This one?
Yeah, this looks like perfect to me. I'm gonna slide my fork right in there. Get some pineapple.
Yum.
Maybe I should put a little cherry in there too, huh? Start like there. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. This is really good. I love that glaze that we put on. It kind of made like a crunchy coat on the bottom. And it also made the cinnamon roll way more moist. I need a piece with a little bit of that cherry. Ooh, these were so easy too. What a fun little treat. I bet you these would be really good with vanilla ice cream. I love these. I would definitely make these again. Really good.